Exercise number 9. With the help of Python external library, periodic table, write code to find name, symbol, mass and density of an element using its atomic number. Hi! Guys, if you have gone through the subject of chemistry during your high school studies, you must have studied the periodic table. You can find different properties of elements using it. Python has made it easy for you to practice it in a playful manner. I have imported periodic table external library. You can install it using pip command. The user need to provide atomic number of the element to further know its properties. Next, you can define the element based on its atomic number, which you have already provided. Then, I have provided different print statements to print the required properties of the element. Such as name will print the name of the element. Symbol will print the symbol. While mass and density will be accordingly printed. Let's run the program. The input command is asking for entering atomic number. Enter any number, say 8. All properties of the element are displayed. It is oxygen. Similarly, you can try any random number to find its properties. This application is a must-have for students learning periodic table by heart.